Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dara Education Project video tutorial series to how to install. And in this session number 3, we are going to learn how to install the any missing DLL files on your computer. Since this message was that usually came when you going to install the WAMP server, that missing Msvcr DLL file is here. Usually this was due to the some missing files or when you download or install your Windows. How to fix it? You can download this file from using DLL fixer files here. Just search DLL fixer, and then you can see different varieties of softwares to fix the DLL files. Basically, DLL is dynamic link libraries, and in this dynamic link libraries we have a software already downloaded here, and the name of the software was the DLL fixer. Okay, so we have the softwares already downloaded, and I just want to install this DLL fixer. This is the DLL fixer setup here. You can download it from the internet, and it will only fix one DLL file for you, so just wait for that. You can download DLL fixers by DLL files fixer from this link. You can search any links for that. This is the DLL fixers file setup was starting, and this is free to install one DLL files for your computer. Welcome to the DLL files fixer. DLL files fixer will fix the Windows file here. You can create a desktop icon, and after installing your required DLL files, you can remove it from your system as well. Just wait for a few seconds to install this software on your computer. I will pause this movie. You can download this DLL fixer files from the softonic.com, and since I already downloaded it, so I just don't need to download it, and you can download it dll-files.fixer.en.softonic from this website. And after download, it will be started and it will install the DLL fixer on your computer. So just wait for a few seconds more. This DLL file was installed on your computer. Just run this program on your screen. Okay, run this application DLL fixer, and it will run and execute the DLL fixer software on your computer. When you run this program, then it will scan your registry. You can need to stop scan registry, and I just stop this one, and here you can install the DLL files here. So I am looking for to install a Msvcr110 here. So we write the file name, the Msvcr. I already told you that this file was usually missing if when you are going to install WAMP server, and in the next session I will tell you how to install the WAMP server. So this error was usually comes if your Windows was not installed successfully and missing some file here. So I just need to click Msvcr110.dll, and it will automatically install the recommended, and just click on the recommended one, and it will install the recommended DLL files on your computers. So Msvcr110.dll was successfully installed on your computer. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further.